guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today's video I'm gonna quickly do an unboxing of a new phone I got. So basically I'm not doing the unboxing, I'm just doing a semi unboxing because the slot agent, like the slot salesperson, had already unboxed the phone. So, and I've been using it for 4 days now, and I just wanted to do a quick review, and we can go check the phone out. So I'll be back. Yeah, right, let's get into it. If you want to get good phone and good phone accessories, Slot Nigeria is one of the best blog. So like I said before, this phone has been unboxed prior to this video. Just wanted to show you what the phone looked like. So I got the purple color and I like it. So that's the phone. So Adele Olamide is the ambassador of this phone. As you can see, his autograph is signed on the box. Now this is ITEL P36 PRO LTE of 2GB RAM, 32GB ROM with battery capacity as high as 5000 mAh, great camera quality, large screen plus 4G network. Isn't that awesome? These things are not just written, but they are what I've actually experienced. Now in the box we have this thing that comes to the phone on the screen that you peel off. It comes with a transparent phone pack, whatever it's called. And there's an earpiece in there, beautiful one like that. I have not even used it, but yeah, I love it too. So they gave me a raffle ticket or something, but I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that. Basically, I'm just gonna drop it as I just dropped it there. So, and then the charger, yeah. Alright, so these are the things you'll be finding in your box when you get your phone, and that's awesome. It has everything you would need. Now the parts you've been waiting for, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna just say a few things about the phone, what I've experienced in this past 4 days. Number one, the battery lasts. I'm gonna say this. This is the first phone I've used that I can actually see that the battery lasts. Yes, so I'm grateful about that. I'm happy about that. That's one for me. Like, the battery life is great. Number two, the camera quality is wonderful. I'm just gonna put in some pictures I've taken with the phone. I'm just gonna put it right here. Number three, it charges very fast. Yeah. Number four, it has a large screen, which is wonderful, right? And then the internet, super fast, super. Like, I feel like a new person using this phone. It makes me feel so posh and so new. Yeah. When they talk ITEL, you think it's a small phone. They're actually getting better. I recommend this phone. It's a phone for people who has a low budget on phone, but you can still get everything you want in one particular phone. So you don't have to break the bank to get a wonderful phone. So ITEL has given us an opportunity to use a phone with a low price, but with high quality. So that's what I have to say. Yeah, bonus video for the week. See you in my next video. Have you subscribed? Huh? I'm sorry, what? I can't hear you. Okay. What? And you're my friend, or someone that knows me, or you finish watching this video, click on that subscribe button somewhere here and the notification bell by this side. Thank you. So see you in a minute.